Government of India had announced Padma Awards yesterday, and this time, a lot of unsung heroes. We don't get to watch about them, we don't get to read about them, but their work has changed the society. This time, Dr. IC Verma is being awarded with Padma Shri. He is head of the Department of Genetics in Ganga Ram. He served AIMS for 30 years. Sir, congratulations to you. How are you feeling after this announcement?
I feel very happy that ultimately they have given recognition to genetics, and this is required now because this is the specialty of today and the specialty of the future, because it's seeping into every branch of medicine. Sari medicine change ho rahi hai because of the new understanding created by genetics.
A lot of people, when we talk about genetics, so they say, which department? Is it related to cancer? Is it related to tuberculosis? Yeah. People don't understand what genetics is. So, sir, help us understand what genetics is. What is...
So, genetics is involved in cancer. Genetics is involved in tuberculosis. Genetics in the control, the fight against tuberculosis is all genetic. Coffee genetic है, कुछ दवाइयों से you take help, but it's the resistance in the body which is controlled by genes. And the new technology of diagnosing resistant tuberculosis is all based on the genes of the tubercle bacilli. So now the technology is such that you don't have to spend 6 weeks to culture the bacteria. You can tell right from the bacteria that these will respond to the drug or not. So the whole thing is changing. And this is the new technology called genomics. When the Human Genome Project was completed, it was a multi-country project, 20 countries, 20 universities, so almost 2,000 people. And it cost them 2.3 billion to study the one genome. And now it costs only $1,000. And it is estimated with the new technologies, it may cost only $100 or $200. So that's the industry is working towards that. So once that comes, it will just change everything. Even now, you find people, ordinary medicine, people were using very little genetics. But now everybody is ordering genetic tests. Because when we didn't know what it is, now with these tests, cost what, 5,000, 10,000, 15,000. You can find out what is wrong. You can save thousands of rupees. You can save the time for the diagnosis.
So just tell us one thing. A lot of viewers are listening to you right now. There are a lot of people say that the child have Down syndrome or other. How can you improve that? The people who have with genetical disorder, how can you improve it?
So the Down syndrome, there was a time when the only thing we could do was, if the mother's age was more than 35, we can do a test. That Down syndrome was more if the mother's age was at pregnancy was more than 35. So we have to do tests after 35. But then the technology came, we can even do diagnosis before. Now the new technology, we don't have to even touch the baby. We can just take mother's blood and tell whether the baby has got Down syndrome or not. So this is called the non-invasive technology. So this is going to again change everything. Because a lot of things in the baby, you will be able to diagnose from mother's blood only. So blood could be collected in a district hospital, sent to Delhi, and I could do it. No, at the moment, not yet, because somebody has to withdraw some blood from baby. But now, with the new technology, you don't. You just collect the blood from the mother and diagnose everything in the baby. So it's amazing.
It is amazing. So you've heard studies on genetics is helping the helping the humans, countrymen, to understand the disease better and how to improve it. So this is Saurabh Shukla from New Delhi for NDTV.